Chapter 6, Section 5. Objective, learn to find percent change. Essential question, how do I find percent increase and decrease? Those are also our vocabulary terms. Percents can be used to describe a change. Percent change is the ratio of the amount of change to the original amount. That's an important ratio. You'll probably want to get that in your notes. Percent increase describes how much the original amount increases. Percent decrease describes how much the original amount decreases. Find the percent increase or decrease from 16 to 12. This is a percent decrease. We start by subtracting our numbers. 16 minus 12 is 4. Then we take our amount of change out of our original amount, which was 16. So we're trying to figure out what percent is 4 of 16. Divide those to get the decimal, 0.25, and you get 25% when you multiply by 100. So from 16 to 20 is a 25% decrease. Find the percent increase or decrease from 15 to 20. This is a percent increase. Find the difference between the two numbers. It's always going to be a positive difference. We subtract them so that we come up with a positive number. And think, what percent is 5 of 15, because 15 was the original amount. So our ratio is 5 over 15. Divide to get 0.3 repeating, which is approximately 33%. So we would say from 15 to 20 is a 33% increase. When Jim was exercising, his heart rate went from 70 beats per minute to 98 beats per minute. What was the percent increase? So we find the difference. 98 minus 70 is 28. We take 28, the amount of increase, divided by 70 because 70 was the original amount. You have to make sure to go back to the problem for that and not look at your subtraction always. We divide 28 by 70 to get 0.4, which is 40%. So Jim's heart rate increased by 40% when he exercised. In 1999, a certain stock was worth $1.25 a share. In 2002, the same stock was worth 85 cents a share. What was the percent decrease? The years don't really matter, they're just information, so we subtract the dollar amounts. We have a difference of 40 cents. Think, what percent is 40 cents of $1.25? So we're taking our amount of decrease, 40 cents, divided by our original stock amount, $1.25. Divide to get the decimal, and multiply by 100 for 32%. The value of the stock decreased by 32%. That's it. Make sure your notes are filled out completely. On the left-hand side, write questions that can be answered from the material in your notes. Review your notes, highlight, underline, and be ready to complete the summary before or in class.